During World War II, mini-submarines demonstrated high value in actual combat, with a favorable loss-to-damage ratio, as evidenced by the heavy damage inflicted on the battleship Tirpitz and the significant losses suffered by the British Mediterranean Fleet at the port of Alexandria. After World War II, the development of mini-submarines temporarily slowed down due to a lack of demand. However, this changed when a French explorer and inventor named Dmitri Issaievitch Rebikoff emerged. Despite facing adversity, including imprisonment in a labor camp during the war, Rebikoff went on to study at university and invented the electronic flash in 1947, which had a significant impact on the photography industry. He also designed underwater photography equipment and eventually developed the enclosed mini-submarine PR-77. The PR-77 had the appearance of a chubby aerial bomb, made of organic glass and aluminum, and driven by an electric motor. It could accommodate 2 crew members and included a compressed air tank for extended breathing time. This mini-submarine was immediately recognized for its military value by other countries, as its small and agile design made it suitable for tasks such as underwater exploration and special operations. Yugoslavia purchased an unknown quantity of PR-77 from France, and subsequently developed a military version called the R-2 mini-submarine. The R-2 had a similar appearance to the PR-77, weighing 1,400 kilograms, with a length of 4.8 meters, and a maximum diameter of 1.4 meters. It was powered by an electric motor and used silver-zinc batteries for an increased endurance, with a maximum speed of approximately 4 knots and an operating depth of 15 to 60 meters. The submarine continued to feature a side-by-side dual cockpit, and was optimized with additional equipment such as a depth gauge and spotlight, making it more suitable for military operations. 2 crew members could enter and exit through glass canopies on each side, with the left canopy hinge located at the bottom and the right canopy hinge located at the top. In case of emergency, the submarine could release a buoyant payload and surface. As a military special operations submarine, the R-2 naturally had the capacity to carry necessary offensive weapons. It had a storage compartment between its battery pack and electric motor, capable of holding 2 50 kg magnetic mines that had to be manually installed by the crew. Like all mini-submarines, the R-2 faced challenges such as slow speed and limited range, with a maximum range of 43 kilometers at a cruising speed of 3.7 knots, as well as a lack of specialized navigation and sonar equipment, which placed a high demand on the crew's capabilities during actual use. The R-2's greatest advantage was its compact size, making it difficult to detect underwater and allowing it to be transported by other vessels or hidden on fishing boats, cargo ships, and similar vessels. Yugoslavia typically used small patrol boats to transport the R-2, with each patrol boat carrying 2 R-2s and the necessary charging and maintenance equipment. Yugoslavia also installed transport equipment on conventional submarines, allowing them to carry out missions with 2 R-2s, a mode of operation similar to that of today's U.S. Navy submarines. Reportedly, a total of 18 R-2 submarines were produced, with the majority serving in the Yugoslav Navy's special forces. Croatia also conducted a small production of R-2M submarines in 1994, and Sweden acquired R-2 submarines in the 1980s, although the quantity is unknown. Syria may have also obtained R-2 submarines. Croatia continued to use the R-2 until the 21st century, and in 2009, they refurbished and upgraded R-2 submarines that had been out of use for several years.